Have you ever stopped to think about what happens to your body when you ride a stationary bike every day for 30 minutes? Did you know that this simple practice can completely transform your physical and mental health in just a few weeks? According to a study published in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness, regular exercise on stationary bikes significantly improves cardiovascular health and increases calorie burn. In this video you will discover 15 amazing benefits of cycling daily on a stationary bike and how it can positively impact your life. And stay with me until the end, because I have prepared a special bonus, important tips on how to use the stationary bike correctly and avoid injuries while maximizing results. Let's go! Before we address the exercise, it's important to know which muscles are involved. Riding a stationary bike is a complete exercise that mainly activates the muscles in the lower body. During the movement, your hamstrings, quadriceps work hard. In addition, the glutes and core are activated to stabilize the body, while the back muscles support posture. And don't think your arms are out of the game. When you adjust your posture and hold the handlebars correctly, your shoulders and even your biceps participate indirectly. The continuous low-impact pedaling motion promotes muscle strengthening without overloading the joints, making the stationary bike ideal for people of different fitness levels. Now that you know the muscles involved, let's explore the 15 amazing benefits of cycling daily on the stationary bike for 30 minutes. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. When cycling, the heart works harder to pump blood and oxygen throughout the body. This strengthens the heart muscle and improves blood circulation. Studies show that regular aerobic exercise, such as cycling, reduces the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. 2. Increased physical endurance. Daily practice improves lung capacity and muscular endurance, allowing you to feel less tired in everyday activities. Who wouldn't want to climb stairs without losing their breath? 3. Weight management. With the right intensity, you can burn over 600 calories per hour. Combine that with a balanced diet, and you'll see incredible weight loss results. 4. Stress reduction. The release of endorphins during exercise relieves stress and improves mood. Cycling can be your moment of meditation in motion. 5. Joint preservation. Unlike running or jumping, the stationary bike offers smooth movements that minimize impact on the knees and hips. This reduces the risk of injury, especially for older people or those with pre-existing conditions. 6. Improved sleep quality. Regular aerobic exercise helps regulate the sleep cycle. Cycling in the morning or afternoon can ensure more restful and rejuvenating nights. 7. Core strengthening. Maintaining balance on the bike activates the abdominal muscles, contributing to a stronger and more functional core. Friends, if you are enjoying this content and want to receive more videos about health, fitness, and well-being, subscribe to the channel right now. This simple gesture helps our work a lot and ensures that you don't miss any new content. 8. Enhanced mental health. Regular practice reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, in addition to promoting focus and mental clarity. 9. Increased daily energy. Ever feel more energized after a workout? This is because cycling increases blood circulation and oxygenates tissues, giving that natural energy boost. 10. Improved mobility. Repetitive movements help lubricate joints, increasing range of motion, especially in the hips and knees. 11. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Cycling helps to use blood glucose as an energy source, especially benefiting people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 12. Stimulation of bone mass production. Continuous movement with resistance contributes to bone strengthening, helping to prevent osteoporosis. 13. Time savings and convenience. With the stationary bike at home, you eliminate time wasted commuting to the gym or adjusting to the weather. 14. Improved posture. Proper positioning during exercise strengthens the back and core muscles, reducing pain and correcting postural deviations. 15. Increased safety. Unlike outdoor cycling, cycling in controlled environments eliminates risks such as traffic accidents or adverse weather conditions. Now, as promised, here's the bonus. Key tips for using the stationary bike correctly, maximizing benefits and avoiding injuries. Sit with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Keep your core engaged to stabilize your torso. Your feet should be flat on the pedals, aligned with your knees, which in turn should not go past the tips of your toes. Avoid putting your body weight on your hands. The handlebars are for support only. Keep your gaze forward to protect your cervical spine. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of warm-up, gradually increasing the intensity, and remember, progression is the key to lasting results. Now it's your turn. Do you already use the stationary bike as a part of your routine? What benefits have you already noticed? Share your experience, it will be interesting to know, and may help others on their fitness journeys. Subscribe to our channel if you liked this content, and always receive our new videos about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend that you watch our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and thank you.